What's up everybody? My name's Katie for those of you who don't know me, and welcome to my channel. Today we get to wear color at school. And I am going to use my Venus 3 palette. The last time I wore this outfit, I wore this palette with it, and I decided I wanted to recreate that motherfucker. Gonna get started. I'm already primed with my PLouise base in Rumour 02. My foundation, everything's done. My eyebrows are done. And I'm gonna go into the color Dreamy with my Zoeva 221. And I'm just going to do the same color, and I'm going to drag that along my lower lash line. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 227, and I'm going to go into the color Bliss, and I'm going to start packing that into the outer V and dragging it along my crease. I love this color so much. I love the way it looks, just so deep and grungy, and it's like this beautiful rose pink, but it's like when you put it on, it just has that like hint of dirtiness that I have grown to love and probably have always loved. And I'm going back in with my Zoeva 221, and I'm just gonna blend out the outer. And I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 221 and just grab a little bit more color and run that along my lower lash line as well. I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH33 into the color Ecstasy. And I'm going to use that to deepen up. And if you'll just notice, I'm only going about 2/3 of the way in. I'm leaving the inner corner without this deeper color. And then I'm going with my Zoeva, in with my Zoeva 227. No additional product, and my Zoeva 221 with no additional product. And I'm just going to really blend all that out, make sure it's nice. I'm going to dip my Morphe JH33 back into that deeper brown, and I'm just going to run that about 2/3 of the way. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to use this Eco Tools Accent Shadow Brush. It's just a little flat guy. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH41 into the color Oops. Beloved. Oh, I love that. I love this palette. I forgot how much I loved it until I put it on when I went to Milwaukee for that ACLU conference. By the way, this should be an episode in What Would a Square Wear, because when I went to that conference, this is what I ended up wearing, not like some neutral look. This is what I wore. A grungy Venus pink, crazy. Okay, and I'm going to go back in with my Morphe JH33, and I'm just going to blend that. Okay, I'm going back in with my Morphe JH41, and I'm just going to tap on that Beloved just on the side, like kind of just using that right there, and I'm going to run that along my inner corner and blend it in where the color meets. I'm going to go in now on the other side of my Morphe JH30 or 41, and I'm going to use this color, Heavenly. And I'm just going to really get that on the brush. And then I'm actually going to spray this. I don't want it to fall all over me. So this color is like a topper, and a lot of people don't like it, but I love it. Okay, and now I'm going to go into the color Rapture, and I'm going to use that for my inner corner highlight. And I'm going to use my, this has become my new favy wavy, my Zoeva 231. It's a Luxe Petite crease brush, so it's like littler, but I'm just going to dip into that. As my inner corner highlight. So I'm going to go in one more time and dip into the color Dreamy with my Zoeva 221 and just blend out, because I want this to be a little pinker than it has turned out. So I'm going to go into my, with my Urban Decay 24/7 gel liner in Alkaline. And I'm just going to use that. Okay, I'm going to do my other eye, throw on some lipstick, and do my lashes, and I'll be back with the final look. So this is the final look. I use my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs in Noirella. I use my Lime Crime Plushies in the color Chocolate Milk. And, oh, and I use my Milk Makeup tattoo stamp for the hearts on the side. I love it. I think I look totally beautiful, and my hair looks bomb. If you like this look, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. You can hang out with me there. Let me know if you guys would like me to do a 3 looks 1 palette with this palette. It's not like the most popular palette, but this is the color story, and I fucking love it. Anyways, you guys could have been doing anything, but you were hanging out here with me, and I appreciate you so much. Bye.